Okay, I finally got it open without going with water everywhere, which I did the first time. It's going crazy there. There we go. Man, that thing really goes. I got the bucket underneath it. I don't remember the other press cooker doing this. Holy cow. This is nuts. Like Mount Vesuvius there. Old Faithful or something. Let's stop that. I can't believe it. There's water all over my floor. Somebody, another pressure cooker video said use rubber gloves. This is insane. 3 days later. We got chicken water everywhere. Gotta be a better way than this. Just to stop it and getting all over the floor more, and it's easily stripping the floor. I'll have to get the other mop it up. Dang here. Can't read it. Keep warm, cancel. Okay. It's definitely dripping in the bucket. Afraid to leave. Ah, that. Well, it's the first time I've used this thing. I'm going to have to, when I call them up today, figure out what to do with this, because this is not fun. Okay. And it made a hell of a mess. It says use indoors only. Maybe next time I'll get the 50-foot cord and just put it outside. Release it outside. But cover it up with a towel or something. Okay. Alright, it is now unpressured. Sorry, this video is going to be a long video, lots of steam. Okay. Ah! Ow! Alright. And, there's your chicken. And the question is it cooked or not? Looks cooked. Okay. We'll find out. Oh. It is definitely cooked. It's really soft. And everything's cooked. Alright. I think rather than put it in the oven, I'm just going to open the bottle and pour the stuff in there. Oh my God. I didn't expect Mount Vesuvius. Alright, hold on. I have 2 crock pots. I may do that in the crock pot and just let it sit for 8 hours. Now on. I don't know. Okay. Try to do this one-handed. Definitely need to mop the floor now in the morning. Put this. I can't put this down. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Maybe not the way you should do this, but pour about half that in there. Next time I will do better. My coffee maker is going to leak in coffee, if you're wondering, and I do need to clean the thing in. And I did some cleaning yesterday of paperwork. Alright. You can see one thing, the chicken fell off the bone. It's not there anymore. Everything's done. Oh. Oh yeah. That's really good. Looks more like soup. But I'll learn next time. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. And this has been Adventures in Pressure Cooking. That piece of potato was a little too hot. Sorry about the 5 minutes of steam. That's scary. Bye-bye for now.